Interior design is a well-known profession, but are people aware of what it entails? Do people believe it is necessary to study, to research, and complete a formal education? We decided to ask random people a set of 5 questions regarding interior design, and then we gave the same questions to an expert. These were their answers. What do you think interior designers do?
Decorate the house or apartment.
Creatively designing a room or rooms or a house or a flat.
Put stuff in someone's home or some space that's inside with, putting furniture and art and things, colors and stuff like that.
Understands their clients' needs in terms of the kinds of space that they need to do the work that they need to do, to live the life they need to live, or to be entertained or be healthy or safe. And interior designers bridge between the client and getting that project made.
Do you think there is a difference between interior designers and decorators?
There is a difference. Not really.
I don't know the answer to that.
Yeah.
I would assume the interior designer is more structural stuff.
And the
Where
decorators.
decorators like furniture, curtains, and all that.
Interior designers are trained by education and they're tested to verify that they have the expertise in order to perform the work that they need to do. The interiors of buildings impact people's health, safety, and welfare, and decorators typically aren't trained to respond to those issues regarding health, safety, and welfare, whereas interior designers are trained to do so. They're professionals, and decorators are hobbyists mostly.
Do you think interior designers need to go to school for interior design?
Well, if you have a passion about it and you know how to match colors, fabrics, and everything else, not really. I mean, you can be still good at it, but to have a profession, you have to go to school.
No, but in order to be like the best, you should.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a complex process. People probably don't understand as much as how much goes into designing an interiors project, but between understanding the people, the psychology, the human needs, and the building needs, there are a lot of issues. And interior designers have expertise in gathering information from the individuals they need to understand, as well as the building expertise. Plus, they have a lot of expertise in lighting, color, building systems, interior finished materials. Those that a lot of people don't understand are almost engineering-like in the process.
Do you think interior designers should need a license to practice?
No, I think they just probably need like light training.
Yes. Otherwise, I can call myself an interior designer and I don't know the standards, I don't know the cloths, I don't know, I'm not educated.
Do you mean like in Florida or in America,
general?
in the world?
I think if you want to protect your public in terms of health, safety, and welfare, you should license interior designers. I think it's a verification that they've met minimum standards, and it protects the public, and I don't think people always understand how much that is the case for interior design licensure. Other professions are licensed as well, like doctors and lawyers and architects and engineers, for those reasons. And if you understand interior design as it is a complex professional process, service, then you would probably agree that it does need to be licensed.
Do you know if right now interior designers in Florida need to be licensed?
I don't think so. No. If you have your work to prove for it, then it speaks for itself.
They don't.
Florida's free-for-all, so probably not.
They need a license to practice public in to design public buildings that the public has access to. If you're a residential designer, you do not need to have a license.
Experience, education, and examination are the basis of any profession, and interior design is no different. We, as a community, need to acknowledge that there is a lot of misunderstanding regarding our profession. But just as people expect surgeons to go to school, go through examination, and gather experience to perform surgery on them, they should expect the same of interior designers. Interior design is taught through a combination of studio work and coursework, in addition to the knowledge of human factors, materials and systems, codes and regulation, and contracts and business practices. From homes to hospitals, restaurants to retail stores, school to state houses, interior design directs and influences the look, the feel, the quality, and the functionality of the interior environments. Effective interior design makes workers more efficient, helps students learn, and helps everyone get and stay healthy. It helps us have fun, age gracefully, and connect with family. Design is at the crux of how we live, work, and play.